How do you really know if you're making progress in the gym? You see, there's this principle called progressive overload. To put that simply, it means you're gradually increasing the amount of weight that you're using, the frequency that you're training, or the amount of reps that you're doing with your strength training. I'm going to show you 2 examples of my recent workouts of how I implemented progressive overload. So one way you can make progress in your workouts is by increasing the weight that you use or the amount of reps. So then last week I did pin front squats. I did 4 sets of 4 reps at 185 pounds. So we can increase either the reps or the weight. In this week, I actually did both. I increased the weight by 5 pounds and I added 1 more rep to my sets. So I did 4 sets of 5 at 190 pounds. Next week, I'll probably do the same weight, but I'll look to improve my form just a little bit. Improving your form is definitely one way that you can make progress. My chest position needs to be up just a little bit. And then I also did back squats with the pause halfway down, and I wasn't really happy with the movement quality here. I was descending a little bit too quickly and I was bouncing out of the hole. And this was 275 pounds, 4 sets of 4. So you'll see here, moving through that pause a little bit quickly and I'm bouncing out of the hole, so I need to improve that. So I'll show you how I did that on the next clip. Okay, so here I am doing the same movement pattern 1 week later, same exact weight, same exact reps and sets. And you'll notice my movement quality is a little bit better. I'm a little bit more controlled on the descent and I'm not bouncing out of the hole as much. Even though my weight, sets, and reps are the same, I'm still making progress because I'm improving my movement quality and time under tension. Improving your form is always a fantastic way of making progress. I hope this helped.